Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Pro Pass XP in Brawl Stars. Understanding how to earn XP is crucial for progressing through the Brawl Pass and unlocking all its fantastic rewards. We'll cover the most effective strategies to maximize your experience points, ensuring you get the most out of every game. Let's dive into the best ways to boost your progress. The primary way to earn Pro Pass XP is by completing quests. Daily quests refresh every 24 hours, offering around 200 XP each, while weekly quests provide even more, typically 500 XP. Playing matches also grants XP, with wins often giving 10 to 15 more points than losses. Don't forget special event challenges, which can offer hundreds of bonus XP. To truly maximize your XP, always prioritize completing your available quests, especially the weekly ones. Playing with friends can give you a 10% XP boost, so team up whenever possible. Additionally, strategically use XP doublers, which can double your experience points for a set number of battles. These doublers are often found in the Brawl Pass itself or through special offers. Earning Pro Pass XP allows you to progress through over 70 tiers of the Brawl Pass, unlocking a wealth of rewards. These include new brawlers, exclusive cosmetic skins, and essential resources like coins and power points. Reaching higher tiers also grants access to more challenging content and a greater sense of accomplishment. It's all about maximizing your gameplay for maximum rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.